बहुत शुक्रिया आप दोनों का. Thank you so much. The Sagar Mahadevanji. Yes, but before that, it's time to welcome the man who's the reason that we all are going to witness the magic live. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a little story I have to share with all of you. This is a man who I met while he was giving a TED talk at SOA University. This is none other than Mr. Ashish Garg. I saw him talking to students that day, and very effortlessly he became one of them and he had the crowd by him. My association with Group G goes long back. I have hosted all their milestones and I have seen Group G, and especially Grand, when it was just an idea and now it is a living, breathing reality. And I'm so proud to be standing here today, yet on another milestone, watching all your wonderful faces yet again, because I am sure I have seen some of you at either the Sachet Parampara concert or the Sonu Nigam's concert. आप में से कितने लोगों ने already attend किया हुआ previous concerts? How many of you have attended? All right, the beautiful lady there, some hands here and there. All right, how many of us have met at the Sonu Nigam concert? Oh wow, wonderful. So कितने लोगों का hat trick है ये? Alright, so I have to tell you all that Mr. Ashish Garg is the simplest man I know. A man very dynamic, a man with a vision, a man on a mission to make sure that he brings the dreams come true for millions of people. Ladies and gentlemen, the one who is shaping the landmark of not just Odisha, but of millions of people who hold their home very close. And yet again, here we are, marking a new milestone with none other than the man himself. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the visionary, the man who makes dreams come alive, none other than, of course, my favorite and all of yours favorite. Please put your hands together for Mr. Ashish Garg on the stage, please. I'm so proud of the people on my right. So proud of you guys. I think it's going to look beautiful. I request all of you, अपने phones निकालें, flashlight on करें, and for the first time, I want to distribute my work. I want to share my job with you. I want all of you to invite him on the stage along with me. Can we do that? Yes? साथ में बुलाते हैं. सबके phone और flashlights on. सबके phone बाहर please. Everybody please flashlights on कर लीजिए. चार्ज नहीं है, होना भी नहीं चाहिए, so that you can enjoy the concert to the fullest. वरना वीडियो कॉल पे लग जाएंगे आप. Thank you so much. You guys have to see yourselves. Can we show the audience on the screen, please? If we can, please show them. You guys look amazing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's finally time. The time that you all had been waiting for. The man that I'm going to invite on stage is a living example of people who follow passion. The one who was constantly debugging codes finally let music take center stage. The man who lived by rhythm and nothing other than music is the man who let his dreams take the center stage. Ladies and gentlemen, एक जीता जागता example of burning fire within, burning passion within. A man that I love with utmost respect. One who fills Indian music industry with all the love, compassion and ragas, ladies and gentlemen. The one who rides very high on ragas, the one who's going to steal all your hearts tonight. It's none other than the incredible, the unstoppable and the invincible. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the legend himself. Oh, come on, we can get louder. Everybody, please put your hands together for the musical prodigy, one and only, the invincible. Please put your hands together for Shankar Mahadevan.
कोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। मंगलं भगवान् विष्णु मंगलं गरुडध्वज मंगलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मंगलाय नमो गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रवेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि। Come on, let me see the rhythm of Odisha. Come on. Shri Ganeshaya Dhimani. Shri Ganeshaya Dhimani. Shri Ganeshaya Dhimani. ये जो जगन्नाथ की नगरी में मैं जो मंत्र गाने जा रहा हूँ, ये सब आप आवर्तमान के वासियों के लिए है। Let me see your hands up in the air. Come on. बोलो मेरे साथ एक बार जय जगन्नाथ। जलानदी गलज्जल प्रवाह विभस्तले गलेव लम्ब्य लम्बिता भुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिका मण्डमण्डमण्डिनादवण्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं करोतु नः शिवं शिवम् जटाकटाक सम्भ्रमप्रवन्निधिं मनिर्जने विलोलवीचिवल्लरीं विराजमानसुन्दरीं पीछे वाला आयो में गद्द गद्द गच्चुरल्ललाटमण्डपावने किशोर चन्द्रशेखरेण दिग्प्रदीक्षणं मम to be here in this amazing township that's going to come up. I wish all of y'all all the very best in this amazing township. May you all have a lot of progress. Okay, so ये दोस्ती पक्की। चलो एक फिल्म याद आ गया दोस्ती के बारे में जो हमने कंपोज किया था about 25 years बाद. The film was called दिल
जाता है
दिल
जाता है
Has anybody seen Dil Chahta Hai? Yeah? Okay, I'd like to call some amazing artists on stage, ladies and gentlemen. आपने जिस तरह से मुझे प्यार दिया, वही प्यार उनको भी देना. Two lovely ladies, extremely talented. Prakriti Giri and Srinidhi Khatate. Let's hear it for them. Come on! And the next artist, he needs your blessings. He needs your good wishes because he's also begun, but I think everybody's just loving him. My son Shivam Mahadevan Bhaiya! Good evening, Bhubaneswar! दिल चाहता है I want to know how many of you have heard this song. Put your hands up, let me sing. Come on. Oh, I love you here. दिल चाहता है जहाँ भी जाए जो हम चाहे वो हम पाए मस्ती में रहे डूबा हमेशा हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ दिल चाहता है. See, now so many instruments are playing, okay? I'm going to cut all the instruments and have only one instrument play for you. Only one. And that's going to be only the conga. Only conga. You know, what is the best combination with the conga? Is your rhythm. It's only you and him. ये कौन करता था मालूम है? The great Pancham Dha. R.D. Burman, who likes R.D. Burman here? Okay, now let me get the next instrument over here. तुम चालू रखो. It's called the bass guitar. 2, 3, 4. आप हो बेस गिटार है कौन का है बस दूसरा कोई है ही नहीं. Come on. देखो खाना तो बन जाता है लेकिन खाना में जब तक नमक नहीं डालो ना उसमें मजा नहीं. तो रिदम का जो नमक है वो मैं लेके आऊंगा अभी. ओके The actual groove, it's called the kick. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Take it away, Sean Pinto. जो वक्त आए चाहता है कभी नबी तेरी चमकी देने को. दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी प्यारों के बिन. चमकाते हैं झिलमिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते. ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते. चमकाते हैं झिलमिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते. ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे. जगा है, जगा है, जगा है। क्या माहौल है यार, आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट वी केम हियर रियली। चलो यार, let's start the party. Party शुरू ही कर देते हैं। What do you think? Does anybody know where's the party tonight? चलो मैं रिदम चालू करता हूँ, एक बीट चालू करता हूँ। Let me see if you recognize, क्योंकि this is the land of culture यार। This is a land of culture and art and amazing people. So much music is over here. Let's see whether you recognize which song this is only by hearing the beat. Only the beat, huh? Let's see. कितने लोगों ने गाना पहचाना? हाथ ऊपर करो, let's see.
हल्के हल्के होठ से हल्के